5 best sources of protein that can help you lose weight. Some protein-rich foods that you can eat. Increasing intake of protein-rich foods when trying to lose weight can help to keep you fuller for a longer time and build lean muscles. Protein is one of the most vital macronutrients required by the body for cell regeneration and growth. In general, a person is required to eat 0.8 grams of protein daily to stay fit and healthy. When you are on a special diet to lose weight, the amount of protein intake increases depending on your fitness goal. But remember, calories still count. So, the type of protein you add to your diet matters a lot. Adding good quality protein, which is low in calories, can help you stay on track. Here are the 5 best sources of protein to add to your diet. 1. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese or paneer is a staple of many low-calorie diets. 100 grams of cottage cheese contains 11 grams of protein. Besides, they are high in calcium and low in calories. You can make curry, fry them, or add them to your salad. There are so many ways to add cottage cheese to your diet. It can increase satiety and help you build lean muscle. 2. Nuts. Unhealthy munching between the meals often sabotages the weight loss plan. To stay on track, you need to opt for healthy snacks, and there can be nothing better than nuts for that. Nuts and seeds are a great source of protein and other essential nutrients. A handful of nuts can provide you with 6 to 10 grams of protein and also keep you fuller till your next meal. 3. Lentils. Easy to cook and delicious, lentils can be an excellent source of protein for vegetarians. There are so many different varieties of lentil that you can cook in different ways to add to your diet. Mung dal or chana dal, all are packed with nutrients and protein that can support your weight loss plan. A cup of lentils contains 18 grams of protein and about 16 grams of fiber. They keep you fuller and help in easy bowel movement. 4. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is another source of high-quality protein for non-vegetarians. 85 grams of chicken contains about 20 grams of protein and only 1 gram of fat. It is low in calories, and adding them to your meal can help you stay fuller for a longer time and satisfied. Do not use too much oil or fat while cooking the chicken, and add some veggies to your dish. Also, try to have fresh chicken and avoid processed ones. 5. Whole eggs. Eggs are the most versatile and nutritious foods. 1 whole egg contains 6 grams of protein and other micronutrients required by your body to function properly. The yolk of the egg is believed to increase the levels of bad cholesterol, but they contain a maximum amount of protein. So, it is advised to eat egg in moderation when trying to shed kilos. To make your egg more healthy, add some veggies like spinach, capsicum, and tomatoes to it.